こんにちは。皆さんお元気ですか？ Cherry blossom 桜です。桜は綺麗です。And 富士山富士 mountain 富士山は高いです。You'll learn adjective today. Alright, so learning adjectives can expand your expressions. Okay, so 暑い暑い、暖かい。There's E at the end of the words. E 形容詞。形容詞 means adjectives, okay? So, E adjectives because it's attached E at the end of the adjectives. All the adjectives. E, alright? And na adjectives, alright? So, きれい。This is E but it's categorized as not 形容詞 not adjectives, okay? Be careful. 素敵、有名 This is also E, but it's categorized as not 形容詞暇、元気、便利、静か、簡単 Alright? So, 暑い These are the same pronunciation, but the kanji is different. So, which means the meaning also different, okay? 暑い this kanji, this part of the kanji means sun. So, when the sun rises, then you'll feel 暑い alright? 暑い this kanji this particle, kanji's particles mean is fire. When the fire is in front of you, then you feel 暑い this 暑い right? 暖かい this is good. When the fire is in front of you and you touch the fire, 暑い when the winter and you start a fire, then it feels good. 暖かい So, hot. This hot is in weather, hot. And this hot, 暑い it literally hot. And 暖かい warm. Okay? This 寒いis also in weather. So, when the winter, you feel 寒い cold. And this 冷たい is also cold. But it in the temperature. So, when you touch the ice, then you feel 冷たい And 忙しい I have so many plans to do today. I'm so 忙しい I'm busy. 忙しい大きい Oh, this thing is so 大きい big, huge. Okay? 小さい it's a little small. Okay? 多いthere's so many things around here. 多い many, a lot. And 少ない It's a little, okay? 高い The Mount Fuji is 高い tall. 低い short. 安いit's cheap. Also, cheap versus 高い It's tall, but also means expensive. For example, this iPad この iPad は高いです It doesn't mean this iPad is tall. Well, it's tall, but expensive. And この iPad は安いです means this iPad is cheap. 美しい この景色はとても美しいです。When you go to tourism, then you see the views around you. Then, oh, it's so beautiful. この景色はとても美しいです。とても美しいです。とても means emphasize the meaning of the 形容詞 adjective. So, とても美しいです。It's a lot beautiful. So beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay? And いい、悪い。This is also adjectives. いい、good. 悪い、bad. Alright? And な形容詞。きれい、clean. 素敵、cool or beautiful. And 有名。So what's 有名 in Japan is Mount Fuji, 富士山。富士山は日本で有名です。富士山は日本で有名です。famous, popular, and 暇。You don't have nothing to do today, so you are 暇。You are 暇です。You're nothing to do. And 元気。お元気ですか？元気 also な adjectives.な形容詞。便利。This is so 便利 words. Okay? For example, 面倒くさい。This is also い形容詞。面倒くさい。This word means you don't want to do anything. You feel like you don't want to do anything, but there's no reason. You just don't want to do anything. めんどくさい。めんどくさいです。I feel めんどくさい。So, めんどくさい。This is really 便利 word. 便利 word. Okay? So, useful. Because you can explain the reason just one word. I just don't want to do. I don't want to do anything. I just don't want to do. There's no reason. One word. It's so bendy, right? 静か quiet. And 簡単 easy. Alright? So, how do you use the adjectives? 今日は today 今日は暑いです。今日は暑いです。今日は暑いです。Today is hot. Today is hot. 暑いです。今日は寒いです。今日は寒いです。which means today is cold. これは this is これは冷たいです。これは冷たいです。これ、you can replace any nouns. For example, this whiteboard. このホワイトボードは冷たいです。冷たいです。This whiteboard is cold. 今日は忙しいです。I have many things to do today. So, 今日は忙しいです。今日は忙しいです。I'm busy today. 今日は忙しいです。So, な形容詞。This is also the same. 今日は暇です。今日は暇です。which means I have nothing to do today. これは綺麗です。これは綺麗です。For example, この iPad は綺麗です。この iPad は綺麗です。This iPad is clean or beautiful. For example, 今日は映画を見ます。What are you gonna do today? 今日は映画を見ます。So, ask me, what are you gonna do today? 私は今日映画を見ます。今日は映画を見ます。I watch movie today. 今日は映画を見ます。どんな映画ですか？どんな映画ですか？ What the movie is like. どんな映画ですか？新しい映画を見ます。新しい映画を見ます。New movie, watch, which means I'll watch a new movie today. Or 古い映画を見ます。Old movie. I'll watch 古い映画を見ます。古い映画を見ます。どんな映画を見ますか？面白い映画を見ます。Fun or interesting. 面白い映画を見ます。面白い映画を見ます。Now you can express your feelings and also many things. And this is also い形容詞。おいしい。これはおいしいです。これはおいしいです。When you eat something, then you want to say これはおいしいです。This is so good. This is so nice. Delicious. おいしいです。And if you speak Nepali, then おいしいcan translate it into mito. But mito sometimes means grill, right? So this mito is a very nice taste. So this kanji means taste, and this kanji means beautiful taste, which means good, nice, in taste. Okay? この部屋は this room この部屋は汚いです。汚いです。汚い means dirty. この部屋は汚いです。It's literally, my room is literally dirty. Okay, so I have to tidy everything. So this 汚い, dirty, and also so many things around here. So you've been learning Japanese, so you wanna say some excuses. この漢字は難しいです。漢字, right? You learn many kanji, right? この漢字は難しいです。難しいです。It's not easy to write. It's difficult. So, この漢字は難しいです。難しいです。この漢字は簡単です。この漢字は簡単です。It's easy to write 漢字。Right? So, basically, you replace this here adjectives in this form. Okay? 暑い。この漢字は暑いです means this kanji is hot in weather style. Or この漢字は小さいです。This kanji is small. この漢字は多いです。This kanji means this kanji is many. It doesn't mean anything, but you can replace this form, and put in here. So you can do anything. You can make any sentences, right? この something は something です, right? So you can make the positive sentence, right? So the next time, in the next session, you'll learn how to conjugate into negative form and also past tense. Alright, so if you have any questions, you can also comment down below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. ありがとう。